Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 1. So I'm excited to have you here because today we're going to learn the foundation of everything you will encounter in bookkeeping. Before we talk about QuickBooks Online, financial reports, or working with clients, let's first answer a very important question. So, what exactly is bookkeeping? By the end of this lesson, you will understand what bookkeeping is, why businesses need it, and how online bookkeepers help business owners manage their finances. So, let's get started. Now, imagine running a small store. So every day, customers, they buy products from you. You purchase inventory to restock your shelves. You pay rent, utilities, and other business expenses. And sometimes loyal customers ask if they can pay you later. So now imagine doing all of this without recording anything. No notebook, no spreadsheet, no accounting software. Now, at the end of the month, you might ask yourself, did I make a profit? How much money came in? How much money went out? And how much do customers still owe me? So without proper records, it's very difficult to answer these questions. So that's where bookkeeping comes in. Now, what is bookkeeping? Now, bookkeeping, this is a process of recording, organizing, and tracking a business's financial transactions. Okay, so in simple terms, bookkeeping keeps track of every dollar or peso that comes into the business and every dollar or peso that goes out. So remember, whenever a sale happens, it's recorded. So whenever an expense is paid, make sure it's recorded. Whenever money moves, helps track it. So I like to think of bookkeeping as the daily diary of a business finances. So just like people, they keep journals to remember important events. Now businesses, they use bookkeeping records to remember and monitor their financial activities. So remember, without bookkeeping, business is essentially operating without clear visibility into its finances. Okay. Now, one of the most common questions beginners ask, Coach, what's the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? Okay, so many people use these terms interchangeably, but they are different. Okay, so bookkeeping, it focuses on recording and classifying financial transactions. Okay, so while accounting, it focuses on analyzing, interpreting, and reporting that information. Okay? So, bookkeeping answers the question, what happened? While accounting, what does it mean and what should we do? Okay? So, remember, these two, they are important. However, which comes first? Of course. So, bookkeeping comes first because accountants rely on accurate bookkeeping records to do their work. Okay? So let's have a simple analogy. So a bookkeeper is like the person who faithfully writes down every recipe and ingredient used in a kitchen. While the accountant, he is the head chef who reads those notes and decides the menu. Okay, so the bookkeeper here is a person who carefully records every ingredient used and every recipe prepared. Now, the accountant here is like the head chef who reviews those records and decides what menu items are profitable, what should be improved, and what strategies will help the restaurant grow. So in the end, without accurate records, the chef cannot make informed decisions. So the same principle applies in business. Okay? So next is, why does bookkeeping matter? Okay, so number one, it keeps businesses legal. It helps owners make smart decisions, and it's the foundation of everything in accounting. Okay, so bookkeeping matters because of compliance, and we want to have a better decisions, and it's the foundation of accounting. Okay? So bookkeeping, it helps businesses stay compliant with tax laws and regulations. So most tax authorities, they require businesses to maintain proper financial records. The next is, well, the records, the financial reports, these are the basis in order to make informed decisions. Okay? So there's a famous saying, you cannot manage what you don't measure. So if business owners don't know their income, their expenses, their profits, or even their cash flow, it becomes difficult to make smart decisions. And as a whole, this is the foundation for all accounting processes. So we have the financial statements, the tax returns, the audits, budgets, and cash flow planning. So all of these, they depend on accurate bookkeeping. Okay? So what does an online bookkeeper actually do? Now, what online bookkeepers actually do, so your responsibilities may include you record sales and income, okay? You record expenses and bills, and then you categorize transactions, meaning you have to identify those transactions, whether they are office supplies expense, office expense, so depending upon the nature of the transactions. Aside from that, you are also responsible for reconciling bank and credit card accounts. So since bank and credit card accounts, these are used by the businesses, so we have to reconcile these accounts. And of course, we have to prepare financial reports for clients. And by using cloud tools, so when you say cloud tools, these are available online. So you can use these tools as long as there's an internet. So you can work using these tools anytime, anywhere, as long as you have the internet. So we have the cloud tools like QuickBooks Online, we have Xero, and Wave. But don't worry, if some of these items are new to you, we will cover each one in detail throughout this course. Okay? Now, remember, you don't need to be a CPA. As long as you have the willingness to learn, you have attention to detail, there's consistency and organization. Okay? So before we end this lesson, I want to leave you with one important message. So remember, you don't need to be a CPA to be a bookkeeper. So bookkeeping, it's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned. So the fact that you are here today means you're already taking the first step towards building that skill. Now, you'll need to be organized, detail-oriented, and willing to learn. And we are already here, so you are on the right track. Now, thank you for joining with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.